Yo, what is up, everyone? So I'm back with another reaction video. Today I'm gonna be reacting to AllKnighters, My Bae. So I think the point is, I watched their I'm Sorry video, but I never got to watch this one, or if I did, I don't recall. So I'm just gonna watch this one. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys want me to watch, man. I got a new setup, so everything's pretty easy to react to these videos now. Let me know what y'all want. Send me everything, and I'll react to it. Let's get it. Just making sure. Making sure. My Korean boys. That's some BTS shit right there. I like your fit, boy.
Baby, you my bae, you my bae, you my bae. Baby, got the other blue child. Baby, got the other blue child. Baby, you my bae, you my bae, you my bae. She tryna keep it on low, she tryna keep it on phone. She got me up in the sky, she got me feeling all high.
Let's go.
Baby, was only good side, ik heb je up in daar. Je sais que moi ce monde dans l'antique de nord. Kariya tu jongo chara kutina.
That choreography, man. That choreography. First of all, whoever choreographed this for these boys, amazing job. Like, I like this. Kill it. Hey. Oh, I like that. I like that.
I'm gonna let you go. Baby, could you do it? Talk a little till it's showing up. Baby, you're good, I'm alive. Je sais que moi, ce monde, dans l'antique de nord. Kariya tu jongo chara kutina.
I fucks with this. This is so dope. It's so dope.
Baby, you my babe, you my babe, you my babe. Baby, got the other blue child. Baby, got the other blue child. Baby, you my babe, you my babe,
Hey.
you my babe.
Kill it. Kill it. Man. I mean, I ain't got nothing to say, man. I think these kids are dope. They're the future. I just haven't been so proud of how far Hmong music has come. I mean, these kids are amazing. Whoever choreographed it was amazing. The person who filmed it was amazing. The place looks amazing. Their outfits looked amazing. I mean, everything was just everything was perfect, man. And I could tell that they're really young. So I want them to continue to do this, man. I think it's a beautiful thing that even though they're mixing in English with Hmong, like I still think it's a beautiful thing that they still at least incorporate Hmong into, you know, singing. I can't even speak right now. Whatever.